website, click here any video, watch the video, wait for 15 seconds, complete the captcha and you will earn money. Again, go to task, complete it. Click here any video, watch the video for 15 seconds. This is a website where you can watch videos and earn money. Also, you can install his extension to earn more. Here's the captcha, come and click here to complete the captcha and you will earn money. For this website, go to description and click the link. You must translate to English. It's the Russian website. There is installing extension and earn money. Click here to registration, enter your basic details, and click here to I am not robot, and then click register. Yes, you can must translate to English and go to extensions. Check your browser and click install, add extension, and that's set. In the extension, and then your extension is installed successfully. Go to task, click here any video, watch the video. Yes, you can watch lot of videos to earn money. It's depend on you how much videos you watch and earn. You can watch too many videos there. Wait for 15 seconds and click the captcha and you will earn money. Go to task. As you can see, lot of task is available. If the task is ended, you can refresh it after 5 to 10 minutes. More task will appear. So complete the video and you will earn money. To withdraw the money, scroll down and go to settings. Wait for a second and go to settings. Click here payment details. As you can see, you can withdraw in web money payer. Now I am withdrawing payer. I am enter my payer address and click save. This website send you email. Send you email and go to your inbox. Go to your inbox and found this email. Here. Open the email and click the link. Now you can successfully change your information. Go to withdraw option, enter your amount and select the payment method. You can see my wallet is 0. Now go to translate. Withdraw is successfully completed. Yes. Wait for a second. Go to wallet and refresh the wallet. Now you can see my withdraw is successfully completed. From payer, you can send your money into cryptocurrencies or more method. If you don't know how to withdraw money from this, you can contact me in this Telegram channel or contact me in this number. Thanks for watching.